Well, I'm ever so grateful and all that for all the help that I got from you guys yesterday after yesterday's video. The the 5 or 6 suggestions that I got were absolutely top notch. So I read them with great interest and then completely ignored them. And what I decided to do is go right back to basics. In fact, I think straight after watching this vid, you should go back and watch my previous vid, Why Didn't This Work? And read the comments and you'll see just how helpful these guys were. But in truth, all I needed to do was weld the two ends of the strip together so that it was a continuous die, take the piece of wood out, lubricate it, and just ride it bareback. You know what it's like when you're banging hard. Lubrication makes the world of difference. Look at that. So now I've got 8 of these things, all exactly the same. So now I'm going to punch the holes in them using one of the ones that I did earlier as a pattern. And now I have 4 perfectly matched pairs of Mr. Magoo glasses. Oh, gaskets. Check this out. How factory does that look?